Hey folks, getting into a little bit of geode cleaning action now. This one could be interesting. We don't know if this little crystal here may be actually attached to the geode or not. And we don't actually know if using the textile gun's a great idea for this yet. This could end in disaster or it could end in glory. And so here we go. So far looking kind of good. It's looking like there may be some attachment to the geode over here where my thumb is. It's been months since we've touched any of this stuff, so the clay's pretty hard. So far still in the clear. Beautiful crystal. Super dark. Camera can... Whew. I'm just getting tired. So far so good. Does look like decent attachment along there. Oh, there it goes. Nah, that wasn't actually attached at all. You can see there. You can see there was no attachment. Only held in there by the clay. Ah, that's sad. Well, that's a shame. Anyhow, let's get this cleaned up and see how she looks. I really don't know how well the camera's seeing that right now because my screen is covered in crud, and so is the lens. It's a really nice geode though. There's some beautiful crystals in there and some really interesting colours. But that's the unfortunate part about a lot of these Mooralla geodes is it's like they've undergone some sort of secondary deformation. A lot of them look like they've been squished and then, reset in stone. Some really interesting colours in there though. That's the nature of the game when dealing with Mooralla geodes. Anyhow, I'll clean up the outside of it a bit and we'll see how she looks once she's nice and dry.